Hey, how's it going? Eric from Ballantine here, and welcome to my first Marketing Minute episode. Today I want to talk about a new feature from Instagram, name tags. Name tags are essentially QR codes, and if you don't know what QR codes, think Snap codes or Facebook Messenger codes. And they allow users to easily find and follow other users, brands, or businesses. We're really excited about name tags here at Ballantine because it's going to allow businesses a fun, creative way to attract hopefully new fans and followers. So for example, if your business has a physical storefront, you can attach your name tag to the front door, you can attach the name tag to the register and encourage people checking out to give your brand or business a follow. Another creative way is to put it on a business card. So instead of having all your boring information here and having to make the person you're giving it to type in your Instagram handle and hopefully they don't type it in wrong, you can easily just attach your name tag to your business card. All they have to do is hold their phone up to it, scan it, bada bing, bada boom, you got yourself a new follower. Restaurants can have a lot of fun with name tags too. They can add it to the menu, so if you don't know what you want to eat, you can just pull up their Instagram profile and see what looks tasty. Lastly, businesses can use name tags in their direct mail efforts. So for example, if you can't fit everything that you want to say in your direct mail piece, just slap on the name tag and redirect your audience over to your Instagram profile where you can say whatever you want, however you want. So as you can see, name tags are really fun and we're really excited to start using them here at Ballantine. If you have any questions or suggestions on how we should be using name tags, well, just contact us over on Instagram. Just scan the name tag right here. It's that easy. If you like this video, make sure you like it, comment it, let me know that you liked it, let me know that you want to see more of my face on Ballantine's YouTube page, and as always, make sure you subscribe for more Marketing Minute tips. I'll see you next week, maybe.